Hi, this is Laura Sweeney describing my book, Brigid, Keeper of the Celtic Hearth. I'm also utilizing self-perception theory to promote my book. I want to tell you a little bit about myself. I'm not a great speaker. However, I enjoy writing and expressing myself through writing. I can write a whole lot better than I can speak. And I also have hobbies such as drawing, painting, making photographs. So I express myself visually. When it comes to communication, I remember better what I read than what I hear. I was very excited about the invention of the computer because I could express myself through the keyboard and receive messages through the keyboard. Here is an ad for my book entitled Brigid, Keeper of the Celtic Hearth. This ad could possibly be a future book cover. As far as the photograph is concerned, that would work very well. Also, the symbol would work very well on the cover of a book. To the right at the top, you can see the original cover of the first version. It has a painting that I did and a background that my son photoshopped. I need to work on it because of the pixelation. Now, I'm trying to target an audience which would primarily be women, because women are readers of romance and of Celtic romance and fantasy. However, I think there are probably more male readers out there than we realize. So I'm also targeting the male reader. I'm hoping some males will be reading these books, especially with the introduction of ebooks. Most of these readers are people who wish to be part of the romance, or they wish to join the tribe, as it says on the bottom. Therefore, I invite them to take a magical ride into the mystical realm of the hearth. Also, return to Brigid's Irish roots. Anyone who studies Irish mythology knows that Brigid is one of the most popular goddesses in this mythology. I am giving a free offer, a personality test. Consumers would click on it and see which character they are most like between the characters in the book, also gods and goddesses of Ireland. This should be a lot of fun. Now, this test is not designed by a psychologist. However, it is based on the personality traits described in the book, the specific adjectives. So it should be fairly reliable as far as showing similarities. Once one takes the test, he or she can sign up to get the test results. In order to do so, he or she must share his or her email address. In other words, the person that accepts receiving the responses from the test is also accepting our emails. They will also receive a 10% off discount on the book. Don't fear that these emails will be spam. One is welcome to cancel receiving the emails, because there will be something that they can click on at the bottom of the email and cancel them whenever they so desire. If they do not purchase the book, the consumer reader will receive additional emails, and the first email will include an ad that has a movie trailer made by the author. This trailer will be similar to the trailer of a movie done in the theater. This is becoming more and more popular nowadays. They will also receive some ads with pictures of Brigid and the fairies in the forest. I should mention there are a few illustrations by the author in the book, illustrations of a few of the characters. Next, I will show you the rationale that you can read on YouTube. Self-perception theory has a theoretical rationale. Tenet 1 is that people infer their own attitudes from their actions and behaviors. To the right, you will see that our target audience, readers of fantasy and paranormal romance, believe primarily that Celtic is cool. Just like some people are interested in Greek mythology or Norse mythology, our readers believe that Celtic is cool. Tenet 2. People infer internal dispositional factors when external situational cues are weak or non-existent. Here we describe some ads. Ad 1 shows that reading the books takes readers down Brigid's path. This is very important. They will take the fantasy character personality test first. In future ads, they will have a 5-minute animated film trailer about Brigid's journey to Ireland. And then they will also have print ads through email, and they might possibly see them in some of the magazines. Tenet 3, self-perception theory supports foot-in-the-door strategies. A foot-in-the-door strategy is asking the consumer to take an action. If they take an action, there's more chance that they will purchase the product. And our action is the online test, which should really be a lot of fun. And then if they enjoy what they find out, they might possibly purchase our book. And the book not only includes fiction, but there's also some interesting facts about mythology in the book. And as I explained before, there will be the offer to purchase the book at a 10% discount once the text is complete. Consumers will also sign up for updates if they so desire. Well, I hope you will use self-perception theory in your ads too. It's just a matter of getting the audience to take an action, to get involved. Ask them a favor. If you can get the audience to fulfill a favor, then there's much more chance they will purchase the book. And if you do purchase the book, I hope you will enjoy Brigid, Keeper of the Celtic Hearth, and that you will look for some future books, which hopefully will get better with experience. Have a good day.